Hello students. So today we'll see another topic on circular current loop as a magnetic dipole. So let us start. So in this section we shall consider the elementary magnetic element, that is the current loop. So what is a current loop? Current loop is a wire or a conductor, okay? So which is wound in a circle, and in that wire there is current. So that is known as a current loop. Loop means the two ends are joined, okay? So that is known as the current loop. We shall show that the magnetic field at large distance due to current in a circular loop is very similar in behavior to the electric field of an electric dipole. So magnetic field is very similar to the current electric field. So whatever you have studied in the current electricity and electrostatics, the same properties will be valid for magnetic field. Only thing is that the current is moving in straight line and the charges move in straight line, and when they are moving, it creates a magnetic field. So E is in electric field, we will denote the electric field as E. Here in magnetic field we denote it as B. So there are many similarities. So there also we have seen about the electric dipole moment. Here also we will see the magnetic dipole moment, okay? So some of the behaviors in the current carrying circular loop which has magnetic field surrounding it is similar to the electric field of an electric dipole, okay? So previously we have evaluated the magnetic field on the axis of circular loop of radius r carrying a steady current I. The magnitude of this field is given by B equals mu naught I r square divided by 2 into x square plus r square and raised to 3 by 2. Okay, so this is the magnetic field equation. Then its direction is along the axis and is given by the right hand thumb rule. You know what is right hand thumb rule. So if this is a current carrying element, so the thumb, if you hold the conductor in such a manner that the thumb points towards the direction of the current, and the circular fingers which is holding the wire, it shows the direction of the magnetic field. So this is known as the right hand thumb rule, okay? So x, this is the distance along the axis from the center of the loop where the radius is lesser than, or we can say x is much greater than r. We may drop r square from the above equation. So therefore here what it becomes is mu naught r square by 2x cube. So here we will take, so only from the denominator we will neglect this one because we want r square to consider the area, okay? So now what it comes is the equation P equals mu naught I a by 2 pi x cube, okay? So where m is, we will consider I into a as the magnetic moment. So here m equal to I into a. Now B equal to mu naught, instead of Ia we will take it as small m, so that is magnetic moment. B equal to mu naught m by 2 pi x cube. So which we get, so divide and multiply by 2 here. B equal to mu naught I 2m by 4 pi x cube. So from the electric field dipole, what are the similarities we will take is mu naught. For mu naught we will take 1 upon epsilon naught. For m we will take it as Pe, that is electrostatic dipole. So where comes to B? E equal to, so we have obtained in the electrostatic dipole, E equal to 2 Pe by 4 pi epsilon naught x cube it is, okay, x cube. Now, which is the electric field dipole at a point on its axis, we can obtain from the same result for B. So, B is mu naught m by 4 pi x cube. So, from the result 1 and 2, we have the point magnetic dipole, which is true, and from this, so what are the similarities here? So, there in electrostatic, electric charge is taken as the elementary particle or unit, and it is a monopole. That means it can be positive charge or negative charge, or if we are taking dipole, it will be positive and negative charge both. Now, here in magnetic dipole, there are two polarities, north pole and south pole. So, always magnetic field is in the dipoles, or there don't exist monopole for magnetic field. So, therefore, and the elementary element which produces magnetic field and behaves as magnetic dipole at a large distance. So, it is subjected to torque like a magnetic needle. So, as it is continuously moving the charges in the current loop, so it experiences a torque. Same as in for the electric charges which are placed in the uniform external field. As they experience a torque, here also an element experiences a torque. Thank you.